Hello guys, welcome to Wire Network. Today we are going to show you how to configure SSTP server, Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol on Mikrotik router board. SSTP, or the Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol, is a popular VPN protocol for creating a VPN tunnel between a client and a server. It is usually used for secure remote access to private networks over the internet. Let's see how to configure SSTP on Mikrotik router board. Step 1. Creating CA certificate. To create CA certificate, go to System and click on Certificates. Next, click on plus button to create a new certificate. First, specifies the name for the certificate. Next, specify the country, state, locality, organization and unit if required. In the common name field, enter your Mikrotik WAN IP address. Next, specify days valid as your requirement. Go to Key Usage and select Key Cert Sign and CRL Sign. Step 2. Create Server Certificate. First, copy the CA certificate. Specify the name for the server certificate. Next, go to Key Usage and select Digital Signature, Key Encipherment and TLS Server. Step 3. Sign a CA and server certificate. Go to CA certificate and click on the Sign button. Next, click on CA CRL host and enter your Mikrotik router static WAN IP address. Click Start to sign the CA certificate. Go to Server Certificate and click on the Sign button. Next, select your CA certificate, then click Start to sign the server certificate. Next, check the box to Trusted. Step 4. Enabling and configuring SSTP server. Navigate to P, then click on the SSTP server. Next, check the box to enable, then specify server port number, maximum MTU, maximum RTU, keep live timeout and profile. Under the Certificate drop-down, select a server certificate. Next, check the box to force AES and PFS. Step 5. Create an IP address pool. Navigate to IP, then click on Pool. Click the plus button to add a new IP pool. Next, enter a name for the pool in the name field. Define the range of IP addresses in the Ranges field. Click Apply OK to save the changes. Step 6. Configure Firewall rule. Navigate to IP, then click on Firewall. Under the NAT tab, click on plus button to create new NAT rule. Next, select Chain as a SRC NAT. In the SRC address field, specify the VPN pool's address range. Next, Set the action to masquerade. Step 7. Create a P profile, SSTP client username and password. Navigate to P, then click on Profile. Click the plus button to add a new profile. Next, enter a name for the profile in the name field. In the local address field, specify the VPN IP pool gateway IP address. Next, specify the IP address pool in the remote address field. Next, go to Secret tab. Click the plus button to add new secret. Next, enter a VPN client username and password. Under the service field, select SSTP. Next, select your P profile, then click Apply OK to save the settings. Step 8. Export and installed CA certificate in Windows 10. Navigate to System, then click on Certificates. Next, expand the CA certificate, then click to Export button. Enter the file name and click to export. Next, navigate to Files and download CA certificate in your Windows computer. Next, right-click on Certificate, then click Install Certificate. Choose the local machine, then click Next. Choose the Place All Certificates in the following store. Next, click the Browse, then select Trusted Root Certification Authorities. Click Next. Click Finish. Step 9. Create SSTP profile in Windows 10. In Windows 10, open Network and Internet Settings. Next, click to VPN. Navigate to Add VPN connection. Next, select VPN provider. Specify the VPN connection name. Next, enter your Mikrotik WAN IP address in server name or address. Select VPN type to SSTP. Next, enter your SSTP VPN username and password you created in Mikrotik router. Click Save to save the profile settings. Next, go to VPN profile, then click Connect. Finally, SSTP VPN tunnel is connected successfully. You can check tunnel status in interface list on Mikrotik router board.